In this video, I will demonstrate some of the core AWS services such as VP3, subnets, EC2 instances, and S3 buckets. These services are commonly used to deploy and manage cloud-based applications securely and efficiently. I will also explain Maven and Jenkins, which are widely used DevOps tools for build and automation. Now, we will be using Amazon Web Services, which provides scalable cloud services like compute, storage, and networking. First, let's understand Amazon VPC. Amazon VPC stands for Virtual Private Cloud. It is a logical isolated virtual network in AWS where we can launch cloud resources such as EC2 instances. This is the definition of this. A VPC is created to provide network level security and isolation. It allows us to define IP ranges, create subnets, configure routing tables, and control internet access. Now, where we use VPC? VPC is used whenever we want full control over networking in AWS, similar to a traditional on-premise data center. Now let's see what we are using in this demo. Here we are working in the Asia Pacific Mumbai region, that is AP South 1. A VPC already exists, and inside it we will create subnets and launch EC2 instances. Let's talk about subnets. Now, what is a subnet? A subnet is a smaller network inside a VPC. It divides the VPC IP address range into smaller segments. Why subnet is created? Subnets are created to organize resources, improve security, and control traffic flow. Public subnets allow internet access while private subnets are isolated. Where subnet is used. Every EC2 instance must be launched inside a subnet. The subnet decides whether the instance is public or private. Let's see the subnet created in this demo. Subnet used in this video is here I created a subnet named sports scheduler while with CIDR block with the port number in Mumbai region. Now let's launch an EC2 instance. Now, what is EC2 instance? Amazon EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. It provides virtual servers called instances to run applications. Why EC2 is used? EC2 is used to host applications, run backend services, process data, and deploy websites. The EC2 that we used in this video, I launched an EC2 instance named Sports Scheduler using Ubuntu server that is 24.04 LTC. The instance type is uh, T3 micro, which is free tier eligible. To connect, we need a key pair. A key pair is used for secure SSH login into an EC2 instance. It consists of public key and a private key. Now, once launched, the EC2 instance enters the running state, meaning it is active and ready. Now let's look at the storage using S3. Amazon S3 stands for Simple Storage Service. It is an object storage service used to store and retrieve any amount of data. S3 is used to store files, images, videos, backups, and logs. It is commonly used for static websites and cloud backups. Let's see the bucket creation. A bucket is a container in S3. I created a bucket named Sport Scheduler File First Bucket 01 in the Mumbai region. Apache Maven is a built automation and dependency management tool used in Java projects. Now let's move to Jenkins. Jenkins is an open source CI/CD tool used to automate build, test, and deployment. In this video, we saw how AWS services like VPC, Subnets, EC2, and S3 work together. We also understood the role of Maven and Jenkins in DevOps pipeline.